Hi, this is Todd Olthoff, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week we will be doing part 2 in our Foundation series on the website design and publishing tool called RapidWeaver 8. If you haven't had a chance to view part 1, you may want to stop and view that screencast first, as I will be building on the project that we started in that screencast. In this screencast, we will continue to build out our photography website and cover some of the other tools that we didn't get a chance to cover in part 1 of this series, like the Snippets panel, building a sidebar, and how to work with third-party add-ons. We will also cover some of the more advanced features like privacy settings and search engine optimization so that your site is fully searchable by search engines such as Google. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and launch our website project in RapidWeaver 8. Now before we start to edit our project, I want to show you a new feature that has been built into RapidWeaver 8, and that's called UI State Restoration. Now what that does is allows you to set your windows however you like in terms of size and location, and then it remembers where you left that so that when you relaunch the application, it will put those windows back exactly the way you had them so you don't have to resize them or reset everything up every time you edit. So let me show you how that works. What I'm going to do is just show the inspector panel here, and we're just going to make it a floating window. And let's just say I want to shrink this up. I like it that size. Let's say I like to put it right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing with resources. So there's the resources window. And what we're going to do is just make it just like this. And let's say this is my ideal editing situation right there. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and quit RapidWeaver. And then we're going to go ahead and launch RapidWeaver again. And we'll go ahead and launch our photos site. And so there's our site. Everything's set and ready to go. You notice that it remembers we're on the portfolio page. And if I just come over here now and I add the floating window, notice it put it back exactly where I had it before. And let's see if it does the same with resources. Yep, there's the resource window. So what's nice about this is that you can set up your favorite way to edit and allow RapidWeaver to remember it so that when you launch those windows or close them, so again, if I close it, launch it again, it puts it back exactly where I had it before.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.